Along the east fork of the Hoquiam River sits a stunning 5-acre retreat, a property where nature takes center stage and your imagination gets to run free. You can own land where the river winds right through your acreage, inviting you to wander the banks, cast a line, splash in the shallows, and soak in the quiet wonder of the forest around you. Imagine mornings filled with the sound of moving water, mist drifting through towering evergreens, and endless room to dream. Build a cozy cabin, create a private campsite, design a riverside getaway, or finally craft that off-grid escape you've always pictured. With power available at the street, you can shape this land into anything from a rustic hideout to a modern retreat. This isn't just property, it's a starting point for stories, memories, and the kind of freedom only wide-open land can offer. Whether you crave solitude, adventure,